Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including a link to the Heal.me platform, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Heal.me. Heal.me stands out as an innovative telehealth platform dedicated to holistic health and wellness. It connects users with a broad network of licensed and certified practitioners specializing in diverse disciplines. These include acupuncture, nutrition, health coaching, therapy, massage, and many more. Designed for individuals seeking a more integrated approach to healthcare, Heal.me provides a convenient and tailored way to address physical, mental, and emotional well-being from the comfort of your own home. A key differentiator of Heal.me is its focus on alternative and complementary healthcare options. Unlike traditional telehealth platforms that often prioritize urgent care or general medicine, Heal.me caters specifically to individuals interested in incorporating practices such as yoga therapy, herbal medicine, and functional medicine into their health routines. Using a simple search function, users can filter practitioners by specialty, availability, and even session format, choosing between video calls or in-person visits where available. This flexibility makes Heal.me an excellent choice for those who value personalized and adaptable care. The platform itself is user-friendly, featuring an intuitive design that simplifies browsing practitioner profiles, viewing credentials, and booking appointments. Detailed practitioner reviews and ratings provide an added layer of trust, empowering users to make well-informed decisions. Whether you seek guidance on managing chronic pain, improving mental clarity, or creating a personalized nutrition plan, Heal.me offers a diverse range of professionals to assist you. Pricing varies depending on the practitioner, but the platform emphasizes transparency by displaying costs upfront before booking. Heal.me is particularly well-suited for individuals looking to address the root causes of their health concerns, rather than just treating symptoms. It's an ideal resource for anyone interested in preventative care or exploring alternatives to conventional treatments. Furthermore, the platform supports practitioners by providing tools to efficiently manage appointments, client communications, and billing, making it a valuable resource for both users and providers alike. In summary, Heal.me presents a unique telehealth solution for those seeking holistic and personalized care across a variety of wellness disciplines. If you're ready to explore a more integrative approach to your health, click the links in the description and begin your journey with Heal.me today.